What's the meaning of blood heat? Blood heat. Blood heat.
Blood heat. Blood heat. Blood heat is an old-fashioned term used to describe the normal temperature of human blood, which is around 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. The phrase was coined during a time when people didn't have access to thermometers and relied on tactile methods to measure their body temperature. Today, the use of the term blood heat has largely fallen out of favor, as it is considered imprecise and inaccurate. However, the phrase can still be found in older medical texts or literature, and may be used metaphorically to convey passion or intensity, as blood is often associated with emotion and vigor.